Tired of struggling with shower curtain rings that snag, squeak, or fall off? Imagine sliding your shower curtain open and closed with zero hassle, every single time. The iDesign roller shower curtain rings promise exactly that: smooth, quiet gliding that transforms your daily routine into something unexpectedly simple and satisfying. I wasn't looking for anything special when I moved into a new place and needed shower curtain hooks. Honestly, I just grabbed these on a whim. But from day one, they stood out. Unlike traditional C or S-shaped hooks that often catch on each other or make annoying squeaking noises, these rings roll effortlessly thanks to 5 tiny metal beads inside each one. The seamless pinch-clasp design means they close completely around the rod, so they never slip off or get tangled. Plus, the powder-coated steel with a rustproof bronze finish not only looks sleek but also holds up against years of steam and moisture. Each set comes with 12 rings, sized perfectly at 1.5 inches by 0.25 inches by 3 inches, making installation quick and hassle-free. Whether you're upgrading your master bathroom, refreshing the guest bathroom, or even using them for window or blackout curtains, these rings deliver consistent, smooth performance. If you're ready to stop wrestling with stuck or noisy curtain hooks, these roller rings are worth a look. Try them when you're ready to enjoy a quieter, more durable, and smoother curtain experience.